Alright, hello everyone, and welcome to a new video. If you're new here, my name is Mohammed. We continue our training and preparation for Elastic Certified Engineer exam, and today with a new topic, we will see how we're gonna use or how we can use Reindex API and update by query API to reindex or to update a document in Elasticsearch. With that being said, let's jump to the documentation. So reindex is allow us to move the data from the index A to index B for various reasons, right? Sometimes you don't like the mapping in the index A and you have to change the mapping, and we know we cannot update the mapping in the existing index. We have to create a new index with the right mapping. Then we move data from index A to index B, which mean reindex it, right? This is about reindexing. About the update by query API, it's allowing us to update a value in a field or update a document, right? Let's say you put the date of birth, the wrong date of birth, or the wrong I don't know, username, age, whatever the value, and you want to update it. So here in this case, we can use update by query to modify or to modify the content or the value of the field or the document in general, right? Let's jump to our documentation, or let's jump to our environment, and let's start with the first one. So let me remove this one. There we go. So I will index or create the first index. I will call it old index. This is doc number 1, and here I will go, for example, with a name and give a value, right? So, and here I will give age, and here I will give 3 comma here. So let's index the first document. Here we go. It's good. Let's index the second document, change the ID, change the name, and here change the value. Let's say it's 40, right? So here update or run this, it will index a second document. So let's make sure that we are indexed correctly. So I will go with old index, and here I will send, or I will do a search. So here I have Muhammad and here I have Saidani. So we have the two values. That's fine, right? Now I will move this data, or I will move the content of this index from the index A to index B, or from old index to new index. How are we gonna do that? So post reindex, and here we have the source, and here we have destination. Let's just add a comma here, sorry, and here is gonna be the index, and here we give the value of index, which is old index, this one, and I want to reindex it to a new index. I will call it new index. Here we go. Now if I run, let's take a few seconds, and now if we check this new index, we will find the values or the document that was in the first index into the new one. Get new index, and here if I run a search, here we go, we have the same values, right? This is the reindex. Why we need this reindex? Again, for various reasons, but one of them is, let's say the mapping in this index is not correct. Want to update it, there is no way to update the existing mapping. So you create a new index with a new mapping, then you move the data from the index A to the index B, and this is one of the use cases for the reindex, right? Now the second part is update by query, right? Let's say by mistake I put here wrong name or wrong age. How can I change it, right? So let's go. We have post new index, and here we call update by query API or endpoint, and here I'm gonna use a script. Again, I talked about the Painless. Painless is a scripting language dedicated for Elasticsearch. It's have the same syntax of Java. So if you are familiar with Java, it's gonna be easy. If not, also it's gonna be easy. There is a good documentations for it. It's known for its security and speed, right? So the syntax is gonna be like this. So we will go to the source, and we will go to the age like this, and for the age add 1, for example, right? Now if we run this search, now what we did, we increased the age by 1 year, right? So we have two documents, one is 30, the second one is 40. So if this works fine, now the new index, we should find 31 and 41, and here we go. So this is 31, this is 41. Now if we run for this, for the old index, we find 30 and we have 40, right? With that being said, we get to the end of this video. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question, and we'll see you in the next video.